Okay. Yesterday we have seen how to execute programs from the command prompt. Okay, and how to check a Java version. What is a Java compiler? What is a Java virtual machine? Yesterday we have seen. And after that, just go to Google. Google. Now that is very time-consuming process. Okay, here we have some ID like Eclipse ID. Eclipse ID download. Go for download. Click on first option. So it will give the option not download. Uh, just double click on it, so it will install. After that, one window will appear like this. One window will appear like this here. If I double click on this, it should open like this. Eclipse ID. So in this, you have to execute Java codes. So why this IDE? Why this IDE? So this IDE will take care of all the things. Like whenever you want to connect things like external databases. Sometimes you want to take some servers, if you want to install servers in your, if you want to work with servers at that time. So this will Eclipse IDE will help you. So Eclipse IDE is having a lot of features. So there is only, there are many, many are there. Many IDEs are there. Many IDEs are there. One second. Many ideas are there. One second. Okay. So this is a first of all here go to file. Just I'm going to new workspace because this is our new batch. Other I'm taking new connection, no space, browse. Here I'm saying desktop. I'm saying on desktop. So yesterday I created one folder. Again I'm creating one more folder here. Java batch, my folder name. So this is I'm giving for storing my programs. You can see here, C colon users, Divyansh, desktop, Java batch. Here, please keep in mute, Rameshwari. So Java batch is now here, one folder will create here. See, Java batch, one folder will create here. Okay. Okay. So in this, that programs, whatever the programs we are doing, previously we used to uh, take this folder as our source. So in that our files are created. Now same thing, how it will created here. Let us solve. Let us see. So wait for 1 to 2 seconds. Okay. So meanwhile, we'll go for basics. So these are all comments we are using, right? Single line comment, multi-line comment in Java program. So these are the documentary comment. This will use it for the project. When the tester, when they want to give some code to the developer they want to see for front end or back end. At that time we will use this. At the time we will use this. So this we can use, right, like comment. Okay, multi-line comment, the documentary comment. In single line comment we can use this. Okay, in a code. Okay, it is open. So here just simply go to file, just remove this. After installation of new software also it will come, it will look like this only. Okay, after installation of new software The first window will be appear like this only. File, new, take first Java project. Java project. Java project. So before going to this, just see here in our folder Java batch. So only some metadata is there. Nothing is there in this. Nothing is there. Let us see what will happen after creation of this. Okay. File, new, Java project. Here I am creating the file name is called uh, basics. Basics. Okay, basics I'm creating. Or else I'm creating my Java project. I'm writing Java project. Next, I'm executing this on this version JRE. Okay. Next, finish. After that, finish. So when this icon will come, create module info.java. If you create it, your codes, some codes will not execute. So don't create module info.java. Finish. So immediately here, left side, one window will appear. See, Java project. Whatever the name I saved, Java project. In that, if you observe, some modules are there. Can you tell me what is the JRE? Can you tell me what is this JRE? Previously, we installed one Java, right? When you double click on it, students, when you double click on this Eclipse in your computer, if you don't have Java, what Java again? Go to C, go to C or command prompt, program files. Here, Java is installed in your computer. That's why Eclipse is opening. In order to open Eclipse, compulsory in your computer, Java should install. First, you have to install Java. After that, only you have to install Eclipse. These are the things compulsory. Without Java, Eclipse will not open. Okay, that's why it is opening. After opening it, what you have in that, what in the Java, just if you open Java, this program files, wait, this program files, Java, JDK. So here you have n number of files are there. N number of files are there. So this all the files are available here. What this file? Everyone see, listen carefully. Everyone listen carefully here. What this file extension? What this file extension? Last లో ఉంటుంది చూడండి. jar file, jar file, jar file, jar file, jar file, jar file, jar file. All are jar files. Jar files. What jar file consists? For example, if I'm opening Java base, so here lot of classes. Like previously we created addition.class, sample.class. So here also same thing are there, same thing. But these all the classes are predefined classes. All the classes are predefined. Suppose I'm opening java.io. In java.io, let us take like string tokenizer class, print writer class, many class. In future, students, in future we are going to learn this all. We are going to learn this all. Now today we are going to discuss about some class like scanner class. So here you can see math.class. So in math.class, these many functions already they defined. These many functions already they defined. Okay. Next, like this. Okay, we'll see all the things we'll see. So in order to execute your single Java program, this Java runtime environment, what you are getting, see now. Suppose if I am taken paint diagram, paint I am taking. So here in this, by seeing this diagram, what you are getting now? So JRE. This is JRE. Consider this is JRE. In JRE, what you have seen now till now? Jars. Jars. And in this computer, what we have? JVM. And here you have one code. Here you are going to write one code. Some code you are writing. And this, what is this? Where this JR is there? Where this JR is there? Where this JR is there? In JDK. This is one JDK. JDK. So they consider if JDK is your Eclipse. In that you have JRE. That JRE consists lot of jar files, and in our computer we have JVM. With the help of these all, you can execute one single program. You can execute not single, lot of programs you can execute with the help of these things. So in order to execute your Java program, you should require JVM and JRE, and at the same time one JDK, one Java Development Toolkit. So it will help you to execute. So a diagram అనేది just you have to remember every time while executing a code, while writing some code, you should understand that I'm executing so and so code with the help of JRE, with the help of these many jars. With the help of these many jars, I'm executing a code. You have to understand it compulsory. You have to understand it. Okay. Next SRC. Now I'm going to create one file. So SRC new, and go to the folder here. You can see here. So Java batch automatically here, whatever I am creating, that is updating here. It's a Java project. If you open Java project here, again two files, source file, bin file. Source file, bin file is there. Again, it is created. See, in source file, nothing is there. So in bin file also, nothing is there. Now again, I'm going to here, source for, right click on source, create package. So today consider day one, day one, day one. Okay, finish. Here one folder is created, one package is created, new package, day two, finish. Day one and day two successfully completed. Let us go to that folder, uh, folder structure Java batch. So Java project we created in that SRC. Yes, whatever the packages you are creating, there it is updating here. Day one, day two, day one, day two. Go to Java project, bin, day one, nothing, day two, nothing. So I told you in the last class, like when you are executing one Java file for sample.java, we got sample.class. For addition.java, we created what we got addition.class. For every .java, there is a dot class. For every Java, there is a dot class. So here also same. Here, why this folder, two folders are there is, this is for Java files, this is for dot class files. This is for Java file, this is for dot class files. Okay. Now let us write some code now. So now you got it. Here package is nothing but simply one folder. Java project is one folder. In that SRC is one folder. In that day one is one folder. So in this folder, I'm going to create one package name, one class name again, sample. Here, one option is there, down. So these are all we are going to see. Public, package, private, protected, abstract, everything we'll see. And here constructor from superclass, inherited abstract methods. So here already public static void main is there. Just click on it, just finish it. Click on it, finish it. Your Java code is successfully created here. Okay, ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది మనకి. Okay, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసింది మనకి. Okay, now go to window. If you want to increase the size of this text, go to window, preferences, general, appearance, colors and fonts, basic. We'll go to last, text font. Here, one option is there, 818. 18, one second. Okay, apply and close. Now the size is increased. Just simply I'm writing no. Here see. Please just use the every time while typing the code, use the words like control plus space button. What is the use of this? I will tell you. Simply the right system SY. So it will come like this. So there is no need to type. After that, just press enter. Dot. Just O dot print. These are two are there. Println and print. Print is nothing but println is nothing but it will go to the next line. Print is nothing but it will display on the same line. Okay. Now I'm executing this code. So here execution is nothing but like in the last class I told you two steps. Compilation and execute. Two steps will be done here. If there is any compilation errors, it will show here. If there is no compilation errors, it will compile and execute by the Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine. So now in the down, you got the output, my Eclipse. This is your code and this is your output. Let us go to the backend. Here, here, Java project src. In day one, I created one folder package. Yes, here sample.java. Where is sample.class? Go to Java project, bin, here day one. Yes, here that class file is created. Here that class file is created. Here that class file is created, students. Try to understand. Try to understand. Okay. Now, now successfully we created one code like that. Now your coding is started, students. From yesterday onwards, today, from this class onwards, we are going to start our coding. So before that, I want to tell you one thing. So here, I'm using this now. Here I'm going to CMD. Here I'm going to tell one thing. Yesterday I forgot. Okay, that also I will cover today. Suppose I'm writing one code. The code name is the code name is I'm writing here testing. Where I'm saving is on the desktop. On the desktop JB1 here. I am saving with. Just try to understand what is your class name? Testing. But here I'm writing with testing. Testing. So I'm writing here. The class name is my class. My class dot Java. My class dot Java. All types. See, careful గా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఈ file name, whatever the file name you created, the file name is what my class.java. But inside the class name is for testing. What will happen? Save. I saved this program successfully. Go to command prompt. This is one side. This is one side. And this is another side. And this is another side. Okay, now let us see. Now let us see. Now I am executing this code. And you observe here what will happen. Sample dot, what is our code name? Sample dot myclass.java. Always you execute code, compile your code with your file name.java. My class.java. See carefully. In down window, see carefully. Which file is created here? Testing.class. Previously addition.java, addition.class. Sample.java, sample.class. But my class.java, what is created? Testing.class. So here one doubt is clear. Your class name and file name both should be different. So we can use it is compiling. It is compiling, students. It is compiling means you can use like that. You can use like that. But If I execute, previously how we'll execute addition.java means you should write your addition. So what is my class name? My class. We write like this. It will show error, could not find loader main class. Then what you type after execution of this, what the file is created? Testing. You should type compulsory for execution. You should write a dot class file only. What you got here? JB1. JB1. JB1 students. JB1. Is clear? Clear? Only one thing. Only one thing here. Your class name, your file name, both should be different. When you use the file name is file compilation only. When you use class name is for execution time only. For execution time only, students. Only for execution time. So this is about command prompt and how we'll execute that. Okay. Again coming to Eclipse. Again coming to Eclipse. So let us see. So okay, in day two. So one more file I'm creating now. Okay, let us solve some problems one by one. Go to new class. Like now I'm going to learn data types. Simply data types. Click on public static void main. Finish. So in this one file is created. Go to your where here. Uh, I think so. All of you know about C language, so that's why I'm directly pointed into. I don't want to waste the time here because basics will finish early. Just go here. Comments completed. You know about this a documentary comment, right? So data type variables, right? Okay. So these are all range here compared to C. Here new what is that? New three sorry new two data types are came. There is a byte and boolean. So byte is nothing but it will take in total one byte. So the range that range also minus 128 to 127. Boolean is only two values. That storage capacity should be 1 byte. So character here 2 bytes. In C it is taking only 1 byte here. 2 bytes it is changed. Int here changed to 4 bytes. Sharp it is changed to 2 bytes. And this is a very big number. Short you can use this much only. Okay, like that. In Turbo C, in that this is an integer size actually. This is an integer size. This is a character size, but it is given to byte now. Character size is changed to 2 bytes. Okay. So these are all integer data types, byte, short, int, long. Okay. So just take a copy, just execute here. That's it. Run. Okay. This is a byte value, short value, and integer value, long value. It will be displayed. Okay. Next, like this floating point data type. So here the new thing will be added, the default value, like for example, suppose here the taken, suppose I'm writing one statement here. Here I'm writing one statement, like I'm writing like int z I'm taken, z equal to I'm writing here, or x equal to I'm writing here, int x comma x equals to 5 comma z I'm writing, z equals to I'm writing here, x plus some 1.1 I'm written. Can you tell me here what is the x value? Integer. What is the 1.1 here? It is float or double. Float or double. This is this one.
Float.
Not float. It is double. Double. In C also, when you see the conditions like this, suppose in C also when you write like this statement like float a equals to 1.1. Suppose consider I'm written a equals to 1.1, comma b equals to I'm written some 1.1 I'm written. After that I'm writing some condition. If a less than nor equals to 1.25 I'm written like this. Some statement printf, here also some printf. So these values float, but it is not float. It is double value. It is also double value. So in Java and C, in both the languages, it will take a double value as a double value. Initial value should be double value. Yeah. So in order to declare float value, you should represent after 1.1, you should represent f. You should represent f. At that time only the value will be displayed. The value will be executed here. Okay. So like that in the same main function, again I'm copy paste. Okay. If I'm removing this, it will show the error. So here one advantage is here errors, it will show directly. Okay. So float value compulsory, you should end with, end, you have to write at the end of the that point values. Okay. Next one, character data type. So see here, one more code is there, character data type, 2 bytes. So 2 bytes. So here you can see here, see, character ch1 variable I am taken. In ch1 variable I stored capital X, and I am writing ch1 contains plus ch1. Suppose this both I am returning in comments. ch1 contains what? Capital X. Yes, capital X we stored in ch1. Okay. Can you tell me? Can you tell me output of this code? Anyone? Then output చెప్తే మీరు గ్రేట్ అమ్మ. ఈ రెండు lines I'm not explained these 2 lines. Till now I explained the what the answer is X. Here what will come here?
XYZ.
No. X, Y, Z you are saying. See students, we have to see about ASCII table. When you are performing arithmetic operations on character, arithmetic operations on character, okay, it should be converted into ASCII value. So what is the capital X value here? Capital X value, decimal value. Decimal is nothing but this value. Capital X value how much here? 88. 88. So here CH plus plus 1 means CH plus plus means 88 plus 1. How much? So it means CH equals to CH plus 1. It means. So it again it means what here? 88 plus 1. How much? 89. So here system.out.println CH1 is now 89. So 89 అంటే మళ్ళీ ఏమవుతుంది తెలుసు ఇక్కడ ఇట్ ఇస్ a decimal number. Again this is converted into the character because ch1 is a character data type, right? It is not integer. After doing integer, it will convert into integer and it will be greater as 89. Again it is converted into character. So 89 SQL how much? Reverse. What's that? Y. So that is your answer. Okay. ch1 contain X, ch1 is now Y. Okay, that's about this one. Okay, చాలా ఉంటాయి. జస్ట్ నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నా అంటే శివ సార్ జావా చెప్తున్నారు. ఓకే, 1 second. ఓకే, why sound is not coming? Is a problem. Okay, okay, that's it. Like this you can learn these things in my notes also. It is all available. So let us see. Character data type is completed. Boolean is nothing but only true values, two values. Always you don't write it. You don't write. If you want to learn, simply type here BOO, 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 Boolean. Automatically will come just A equals to. Always you should write here not 1 0 like that you don't write because it will holds only two values. Automatically came false semicolon boolean some B true semicolon if A not equals to B. A not equals to B means condition is false. Whatever the code you can write, whatever the code you can write, it will come. System dot out dot print yes, I think so. Got it. Okay, you can write any statement. You can write any statement. True or false. Semicolon. Run it. This is a new code. This is a new code I'm writing. Okay. So true or false. When you write it true, both are same. Or you can also write simply A. A means what here? True. True means the value will come? True or false. Not A, not not A, false. What will come? Like the students, like that. Today I'm giving you one assignment. Like, please install Eclipse, or you can use a decoder. Sir, I don't have laptop. No problem. You can install decoder with your mail ID. In order to work decoder, compulsory internet is required. So in the decoder, compulsory you should